Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of MindManager, one of the leading tools for mind mapping and project management. Whether you're a creative thinker, a team leader, or someone who just loves to stay organized, MindManager promises to help you transform your ideas into actionable plans. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we explore everything you need to know about this platform. Let's start with the big picture. MindManager is a mind mapping and project management tool developed by Corel. It's designed to help users capture, organize, and visualize their ideas in dynamic and interactive ways. Think of it as your digital canvas for brainstorming, planning, and execution. The homepage is sleek and informative, emphasizing how the platform turns concepts into structured plans. It's marketed as ideal for project management, strategic planning, and improving productivity in both personal and professional contexts. At its core, MindManager allows you to create mind maps, visual diagrams that help you organize thoughts, plan projects, or solve problems. It's especially useful for anyone juggling multiple ideas or complex projects, but that's not all. It goes beyond mind mapping with advanced tools for task management, flow charting, and even Gantt charts. Now let us talk about the main features of MindManager. Mind mapping tools. You can quickly create visually stunning mind maps that connect ideas and data, helping you understand relationships and patterns. Flowchart and diagram creation. You can build detailed flowcharts to map out processes and decision-making paths. Gantt chart integration. You can plan, track, and visualize project timelines with interactive Gantt charts. This is perfect for product managers needing a clear view of deadlines and resources. Task management. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all within the platform. Collaboration is a breeze. Integration with popular tools. MindManager connects seamlessly with Microsoft Office, Microsoft Teams, and other productivity tools, making it easy to integrate into your existing workflows. Overall, the feature set is robust enough to cater to everyone, from freelancers to large enterprises. Now let us talk about the pricing. No review is complete without pricing. So MindManager offers three main pricing plans. There's the Essentials. This plan costs $99 per year and is ideal for individuals who need basic mind mapping tools. There's also the Professional plan, which is currently rated as the best value. At $179 per year, this plan adds advanced features like Gantt charts and enhanced project management tools, also contextual toolbar and more. Then there's the Enterprise plan. It is for larger teams and organizations. This Enterprise plan includes custom deployment options and volume licensing. The pricing here is available on request, so you need to get a quote. If you're unsure, MindManager offers a free trial so you can test out the platform before committing. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using MindManager. Like any tool, MindManager has its strengths and weaknesses. So let's break them down. First, we talk about the pros. An intuitive interface that makes it easy to get started is what you have here. There's also a comprehensive suite of features for planning, brainstorming, and project management. And there's integration capabilities with Microsoft Office and other tools. How about the cons? The sheer number of features might feel overwhelming to new users. And it is also good to know that it's a paid tool, so budget-conscious users may need to explore alternatives. So here's the big question. Is MindManager the best cloud-based project management tool? Well, it's certainly one of the most versatile options out there. The platform excels in visualization, making it a top choice for users who need to organize complex ideas or manage projects effectively. However, the pricing and the learning curve might not appeal to everyone. That said, the free trial offers a great opportunity to see if MindManager aligns with your workflow. Overall, if you're someone who thrives on visual organization and needs an all-in-one solution for project management and brainstorming, MindManager is definitely worth considering. While the pricing may be a factor to consider, the extensive feature set and the opportunity to improve productivity and collaboration make it a worthwhile investment for individuals, teams, and organizations alike. Whether you're a freelancer, a project manager, or part of a large enterprise, MindManager offers something valuable for everyone. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mira, Xmind, and Microsoft Visio. That's it for today on the review of MindManager. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.